Okay, so weekend went by, the package from Ruby showed up, and here it is, this little gizmo. So let's put it in. So let's take the rifle apart. I already took the bolt out, and let's see if I remember how to do this. It was pretty easy. And I left everything kind of loose. Alright, so yeah, that I was just thinking about that spring that went flying. Okay, here we are. Okay, that's the pin we're missing. And I'm not 100% sure how it goes. I know it goes here somewhere. You know what? I bet you that it goes like this. Okay. And the pin goes from the top. Okay, yeah. Now this works as it should. Okay. Now it's in. Now it's out. In. Out. In. Out. Huh. You see? I didn't have to take the two halves apart, but let's put it back together. There's a bolt, stock, and here we go. Bolt closed, magazine sits. Bolt open, magazine sits. Big difference, right? I don't have to worry about, I don't have to jiggle with it. Alright, so, and it was probably an honest mistake when they were probably putting the rifle together. The pin probably just fell out. So, something, if you ever work on this rifle, probably keep in mind, once you basically take the lever down, that pin just kind of sits there, that's it. As soon as you flip it upside down, it'll fall out. So, there you have it. Next time you see this rifle, hopefully it'll be when we're gonna be shooting it. I got, bought some match ammo. What did I get? I got, what do I got? I got some of my reloads, and I have a 140 grain Hornet match. We'll see how that works. I like the way they did, see the 0 at 200, and it shows you the drops. Hope you can see that. Zoom, come on, focus. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. We'll see how it works. The scope is on the way, the rings are on the way. The only thing I'm gonna have to probably wait for is a bipod, because the one I ordered is not in stock right now, so we might just shoot it off the back for now, just to get it shooting, because this is the longest I had a new firearm, and I haven't shot it. I mean, I had this for like 2 weeks, I haven't shot it, so that's the longest ever. But you know, I got a bore guide and all that coming, so we can do it right. We can clean it, we can break it in the way it should be. Alright, as always, have fun, keep shooting.